Alright. This is what's happening right now. Alright. Oh my god, it smells. Alright, we got 1, 2. I won't get you. 3. 4 dogs. I won't get your ass. 4 dogs.
Come on, I'm dying.
Bathroom with her.
Come on.
This is what we live with in our house. Alright, wait for it. Reaction when she comes out. There's the flush.
Stella was like chilling. Stella just went. Everybody laughed. She just looked up at me. This sick bitch is the one that opened the door and put 4 dogs in there and then proceeded to get her tablet to videotape me taking a shit to show that she had opened the door and put 4 dogs in there while I was out of it.
Oh, look at it. The dog, look, JD had her face out the door like, air,
Let me breathe. Sorry, Jamie. Ashley's fault.
Well.